Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Kiran Shetty. So today we have an exciting episode of a Tovarich vodka. So which is a Russian vodka. Do you know what does Tovarich mean? Do you know which water is used to produce this Tovarich vodka? So I'll let you know in detail about this Tovarich vodka. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and let's get started. Let's know about Tovarich. Tovarich means comrade in Russian. So Tovarich is the world's most awarded vodka, and also it was founded by Saint Petersburg, which was a family recipe of the late 1700s, and also it has a 5-time filtration for this vodka. Do you know from which region the grains are being harvested? There is a Volga region in Russia which is popular for its high grade grains. The Volga region is basically famous for its high grade grains for harvesting. These grains have been lavishly harvested and used for this vodka making. And also they use the water which is from the underground. And this water is being filtered through sand. So sodium are being used to soften the water, and this water is the main key role for the vodka making. After the 5-time distillation, the distilled vodka is being filtered through charcoal and silver. And this is about the Tovarich history and how Tovarich is made. Now let's review the Tovarich. So we have a glass here. So I have already been finished the vodka, only the last thing I have been reviewing it. So I'll be pouring some 30 because this vodka shouldn't be consumed directly because it burns out the throat badly. We can see that it is almost clear like a water. It has already been distilled 5 times. It should be clear than a water. So let's smell it. It's more of a spirit smell. Let's taste it. There is a hint of lemon and eucalyptus flavors, and also you have a sweetening taste, and also you can feel the hotness, burning sensation in the throat. If you drink any other vodka, so you won't feel the taste of the vodka because it will be like a taste and odorless. So about this vodka is different from other vodkas. It has a sweetener, it has a lemon flavor, and also a little bit hint of an eucalyptus. So it is a different vodka from comparing with other vodkas. There is a tricky way to drink this vodka. Do you know how to drink it? A raw vodka without burning your throat. I'll teach you how to drink a vodka without burning your throat. It's a simple way. Just take the vodka, just take a gulp of the vodka in your mouth and wait for 2 to 3 seconds so that it mixes with the saliva, and swallow it. And now you don't feel the burning sensation in your throat. Let's try it. This is a way to taste an vodka. So this way it doesn't burn your tongue, throat. It feels so smooth while drinking this vodka. And also this vodka prices about like 14 to 16 euros in Russia. And this vodka is not available in any other countries except the duty-free shops and especially in India we don't get this types of vodka because in the international market these vodkas have been sold. So I'll be giving 9 of 10 for this vodka because it has a unique flavor comparing with the other vodkas. There is a special cocktail called Vesper tea for this Tavorych vodka. It is most famous cocktail in Russia for this brand. So basically this vodka is being used to drink with any fruit juice or any other carbonated drinks like Pepsi, Coke. Also you can try with any Tropicana juices, Maaza, any other fruit juices is a very best combination for this vodka. So friends, I hope this video was informative, and also please do support my channel. Please give a like and a subscribe. And drinking is a passion, not an habit. Please drink responsibly. Thanks for watching.